International Day of Happiness. It is difficult to exactly define happiness. Probably, it is a state of mind that is embedded with contentment, inner joy, and a feeling of well-being. It is an indicator of positive states of mind and positive emotions. It is to be realized that happiness and pleasure are not same. Pleasure is often associated with outcome due to materialistic entities, while happiness is an innate well-being despite lack of pleasurable physical comfort. A business magnate might possess all the physical comforts and luxuries that would give a pleasure, yet he would be unhappy due to business pressures. While a saint in a jungle would be happy with his minimum comfort levels of living. The philosophy behind the day is that the pursuit of happiness is a basic human right and goal. Contentment is a great boon for happiness, keeping away emotions like greed, jealousy, excessive anger, hunting for money, temporary materialistic pleasures, over-competitiveness shall bring you more closer to happiness. These emotions can break down your health. So be happy and be positive with contentment. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel.